Hey guys, in this video I'll compare the specs of the Ulefone Armor X16 Pro with that of the Oukitel WP56. These two 5G rugged phones are expected to debut at the end of July or maybe early August, I don't know, but they are among the best budget 5G rugged phones of 2025. Anyway, without wasting much of a time, let's quickly compare the specs of both devices. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have it guys, the Armor X16 Pro versus the Oukitel WP56. Both devices are really nice, feature-packed, rugged 5G phones in my opinion. And of course, both devices are expected to be very affordable. The Armor X16 Pro is expected to cost about $300 to $350, while the Oukitel WP56 is expected to be sold for around, maybe the same price or a little bit more expensive than the Armor X16 Pro. But both devices are expected to be very affordable, and they would launch very soon. Anyway, feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.